I love my parents.
I feel like such a dipshit.
Yes.
Okay, hang on, I gotta burp.
I just don't understand how you have enough in you to burp every single
I get excited
episode.
and I swallow a lot.
We've been recording this for like 9 hours.
He says, there it is.
Jesus.
Lucas gave him a list. Just mark it, if anything.
How have you fucking burped in every episode so far today? Raw pecker.
Don't put my burp in the video. Yo, okay.
Dude, I can do that all day.
Dream Boy's about.
I want to jump in. I want to dive into the text. Really see what's here.
Despite it being wrong, the
5 burps.
I really like the line. Oh my god.
Get it. Get it. Get it.
4 and a half. 5.
Once you report the number and you start